Can you imagine? This is the packaging opening knife. Look at how cute that is. You have to be careful though, it's very sharp. This is the suitcases covers. So it looks like this. Health, thin, rich, and I'm the best. So this is for the suitcase cover. Oh, this is in my AirPod cover or case. Oh, that's a crybaby. So cute. How do you open it? Oh. This is nice. This is a safety underwear you wear underneath the skirt, so you're not worried about if something gonna see through your underwear. This is an extra layer. And this extra piece of fabrics in the front, it's preventing showing your camel toes. I'm serious. They are very serious about that. So we will see. It kind of smell like very chemicals. You guess you really need to wash it before wearing it. There's one pair of microphone. It's kind of heavy. Isn't that pretty? I really love it. It's a purple bunny with purple tulips.